Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are making something dangerously delicious, homemade pizza. That's right, no delivering, no frozen cardboard, just pure cheesy happiness, made with love and a bit of chaos. The first thing I did was to place some parchment paper inside the air fryer, and then I will be taking my tortilla wrap. We are using tortilla wrap for this. I'll place it inside as well. Straight ahead, I will be using ketchup. You can use tomatoes, you can use anything of your choice. Then after that, I'll just go ahead to use my silicone brush to spread this evenly. And after that, the next thing I'll be doing is to add some cheese. You want to be generous with your cheese. So this is the first layer. So after laying or adding your cheese, the next thing we'll be doing is to add our second tortilla wrap. If you have watched up to this moment, please go ahead to subscribe, share, and like. Next thing I'll be doing is to spray more of that ketchup into it, and then go ahead to use my silicone brush to spread everything again. And thereafter, the next thing I'll be doing is to add more of those cheese. Guys, please be generous with your cheese. What is pizza without cheese? Just go ahead to spread this, spread evenly. After spreading, the next thing we'll be doing is our topping. Guys, please feel free to use any topping. Now, I will be using my grilled chicken and my grilled beef. You can use anything for your topping. Okay, guys, do you. Then after that, I will go ahead to add some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. If you are a lover of fresh tomatoes, you can add it to it. If you are not, you can also use bell pepper. Any topping of your choice is okay. So after that, I will add more cheese. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, okay? Support me by sharing, support me by liking and leaving your comment. So after adding more of that cheese, I'll just go ahead to slide this into the air fryer, and thereafter I will be baking this for 180 degree for 12 minutes. Guys, will you be trying this recipe? I bet you have to. And here we have our homemade pizza. Look at that, guys. Golden crust melting cheese. The smell of the pizza is out of this world. If you can wait, just allow it to cool down for a minute before you slice this up. Guys, no delivering fees, no mastery ingredient, just pizza perfection. Do you understand? Thanks, guys, for hanging out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who still thinks frozen pizza counts. Will you be try this? I use tortilla wrap. Guys, go get your tortilla wrap and make this pizza. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye and keep eating good food.